Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today is my father's birthday. He was born in 1918. If he was still alive, he would be turning 107 years old. Unfortunately, he is no longer with us, but I wanted to share a recipe with you that was one of his favorites. Roasted red pepper sandwiches. This is something that my father grew up eating during the Great Depression because it was a cheap but filling meal. This is also something that my parents ate a lot in the summer because peppers were in season, and it's a good way to use them. It's a nice, light, and cool summer lunch. Today I am going to show you two different ways to make this sandwich. For the first sandwich, I have a club roll here that I cut lengthwise. And now the first thing I want to do is I have my aluminum foil here, and I'm going to stick my bread on it. And this is going to go in the oven, and I'm going to broil it on high to toast it. Usually if I'm broiling something like this, I only use a piece of foil, and then after I'm done I could just throw it out. If I'm going to toast more than one, and it was a few, then I would use my cookie sheet. But now it's going to be put in the oven. Now I took the bread out of the oven, and you could see it's nice and toasted. Now during the Depression, the Great Depression, people most likely made their own bread, and because it was cheaper and they didn't have the money to go buy any bread. But today I'm not using homemade bread. This is store-bought bread. And now I'm going to add my iceberg lettuce, which I washed and drained. I'm going to be adding it to the sandwich. We like a lot of lettuce on our sandwiches. And now I'm going to be adding my roasted red peppers. These peppers I'm using are from the jar, but if you want to make your own, you can make your own red peppers. Either you could make it on a grill, or you can make them in the oven. You can make them in the oven or on a grill.
Hey Grandma, can you make me a sandwich? Hey Grandma, 'cause I'm a hungry man with an appetite. I'm here with my paisano. Can you make us each a sandwich Italiano?
And now I'll be using some mozzarella cheese, which is one of the cheese. We don't eat too much cheese at all, but we do like every once in a while our mozzarella cheese. And now I have some balsamic vinegar here, and I'm going to put it on now. Just a split. Oh, came out a little too fast. I just wanted a splash, but that's okay. Now the balsamic vinegar is a more modern addition. My parents used oil and vinegar or Italian dressing. So now this is the nice sandwich. And there's our first sandwich all done, and you see how easy it was. For the second sandwich, I have a piece of bread here, and I'm going to make a hot sandwich. What I'm going to do, I have softened my butter, and I'm going to butter both sides of the bread, each side. And for this you have to soften the butter. It's much more easier to spread it on.
Hey Grandma, can you use some roasted peppers? Hey Grandma, some mozzarella for good measure. Please make me delicious food Napolitano. I'm so hungry for a sandwich Italiano.
And then I have freshly minced garlic that I'll be putting on each piece. So what I'm actually doing, I'm making garlic bread. I'll be taking my foil that I have made, and I'll be placing this into the oven. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. Now my garlic bread, as you could see, it toasted nicely and the butter melted and everything with the garlic on it looks so good. Now I'm going to be adding my roasted red peppers.
Hey Grandma, can you make me a sandwich? Hey Grandma, 'cause I'm a hungry man with an appetite. I'm here with my paisano. Can you make us each a sandwich Italiano?
And now I'm going to be adding my mozzarella cheese. And this is what all that goes on this second sandwich. And then you put the nice hot bread on top. And this is the sandwich. And this is how easy it is to make two nice roasted red pepper sandwiches. If you don't want to add the mozzarella cheese, you could add cucumbers, you could add some tomatoes, you could add whatever vegetable you like to this sandwich. So how do they taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. We'll take this one first. Very nice, crunchy. The bread is soft. The top crust is crispy. Nice. Put a lot of garlic in there, Ma, this time. Well, let's try the other one. This one's nice also. Got the soft bread crust on the roll, which is crispy. The lettuce.
I've been making these a lot this summer because it's been too hot and humid to cook. And this is a nice, cheap, and healthy meal. Right, Grandpa?
Right.
We love your